my girls, just me and my divas, taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Diva.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? Y'all already know what time it is. We about to do this Amazon wig, girl. You know, Amazon Prime, get your own time. This is, of course, by my peoples at UNice Hair, and this is one of their water waves, okay? Do you see the color? It's giving like a plumish color, 13 by 4, already bleached for you when it comes through the door, so you could just put it on and go, okay? And also has tape on the unit, an adjustable strap in the nape, and an elastic band, which is removable.
어젯밤에 어디 있어서 내 생각하곤 있어 너 어린아이 같아 난 아직까지 마음이 넌 아파 I'm feeling lonely Something about you make me feel insecure baby Something about you girl Stay here right by my side Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone I feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love and rewind, oh Love and you right, baby Love and rewind, oh Come on and tell me now Love and rewind, baby Love and you right, baby Love and rewind Tell me what's going on now Man, I've been switching lanes all the time 오늘 내 AKA I'm just on the edge hanging man 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이 난 처음이야 이런
Girls, let me just take this tape off. I'm really not a huge fan of tape anymore, especially because I've already lost enough of my edges due to just body changes. So I really don't do the tape, but it is very, very strong if you prefer it. So yes, girl, y'all seen this right. I'm about to put this lace front behind my hairline, or semi behind my hairline, like I used to do back in the day, girl, okay? So as you guys see, I'm just gonna pull out just a tad bit of hair. I don't want it too far back because I already have a long forehead and I just really don't want it sitting too far back. I have enough forehead that I can make a new hairline, so let's just leave it at that. Now, as far as the front part, I'm not gonna pull it behind my hairline because like I said, it'll make my forehead look even bigger and longer. And it's not that my hair is missing where my forehead is. It's just that I have a long head. I was born that way, okay? That's just genetics. So I just put a little bit of hairspray in between my hairs and just, allowed it to get tacky before I decided to apply the unit. Now this for me works great because it makes it look very, very natural. I know a lot of people may like to use or pull their hairline out a little bit more, and you can do so. I used to do this back in the day, when I first started YouTube on my prior channel. I did get a lot of backlash because people thought that I might as well have wore a half wig if I decided to pour some of my hair out. But I did not pull that much hair out. Sometimes people just be doing a little bit too much. But anyway, neither here nor there. It is time to style this water wave. Now, your girl love curls. I love waves, I love curls, but I do like the fullness, okay? I like to be almost damn near like Shaka Khan fullness when it comes to wavy hair and sometimes curly hair. Yes, girl, Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan. Shaka Khan, y'all. Don't act like y'all don't. And if you don't know who Shaka Khan is, that means you are very, very young on my channel. But girl, let's talk about this hair. I love the color. It's like this plum color. Very nice, very easy to apply. I love UNice hair. They have the most affordable units. And I say this all the time, and I cannot say it enough. But girl, they have really stepped it up. Okay, when I tell you that UNice has stepped it up from the packaging to the lace to the install methods to the amenities, girl, they stepped it up. They just giving away these wigs damn near. Very affordable. And with Amazon Prime, you definitely get your stuff on time, girl. And it's very easy to return if you choose to. Now look at those sides. Look how natural that looks with my own natural hair out. Now, as you see, I'm just gonna brush back the wig hair because I really don't need any type of baby hairs because I'm just using my own natural hair. Now, this right here, that I'm brushing is my natural hair that was left out for my sideburns. I like this unit. It's very full, 24 inches, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like you're born to slay. Now, like I said, it comes everything for you, meaning it's bleached, it's tweezed, it's styled, it's colored, it's everything that you could just ask for, okay? Who doesn't love a good wig that you could just put on and go, okay? And run out the door. Now, there are a lot of times when some of these units do say they are throw on and go, and you can leave the house. But I don't know about y'all, but I'm very particular about leaving the house sometimes. So I really don't want my wig to look like a wig, and I'm pretty sure I've had those moments where they do. But girl, when they don't look like the way that I want them to, I'm going to make sure that I just put a little work in. Now, right here, I did put some work in with the concealer because I wanted it to match my own actual complexion. This is the finished look, girl. You can't get no better than that. Easy, affordable, comes everything. Girl, and if you like more curls or waves, and just add a wand to it. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Y'all know what I always say. Make sure you look at the description, check the description for the unit that I'm wearing. And I also ask that you please be so kind and make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.